Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Square Invoices Review My Usage Experience. Square Invoices Review My Usage Experience offers a way to analyze and understand your Square Invoices data. It's aimed at small business owners and freelancers who use Square for invoicing and want a better overview of their billing and payment history. Key features likely include data visualization, reporting on payments received, and possibly trend analysis. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Square Invoices itself is a well-known platform, but this review tool focuses on enhancing data analysis. The website highlights ease of use and claims quick setup. Pricing transparency is a key selling point. It likely offers various subscription tiers with clear pricing, no hidden fees, and no contracts. Availability is likely tied to having a Square account already. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Square Invoices Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I connected my Square account within minutes, following the simple on-screen instructions. The interface is clean and intuitive, navigating the dashboard was straightforward. I particularly liked the customizable reporting features. I could easily generate reports showing my total invoices issued, payments received, and outstanding balances, all broken down by month and client. The speed was excellent, reports generated almost instantaneously. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the visual representation of data. The charts and graphs made it incredibly easy to spot trends in my billing. One minor drawback was that the advanced filtering options took me a little while to fully grasp, but the help section cleared things up. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Square Invoices Review My Usage Experience. It significantly improved my understanding of my invoicing data, making financial planning much easier. That's my overview of Square Invoices Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.